Are you currently having problems with Monopoly Go no internet and you want to be able to fix it? Well then actually in this video I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix this problem quite quickly. So actually as you can see I don't all like have the problem right now, but I used to have it just a couple of minutes ago. And actually what I did was that I closed my Monopoly Go app completely and then I just swiped in here as you can see, sorry, like this. And then we're going to quickly enable our airplane mode as you can see in the top left corner. So enable your airplane mode and then just disable it after a second or so, because what will happen now is that you probably can see in the top right corner I will now reestablish connection. And sometimes when you do like this you will actually reestablish connection to a much better one than you had before. So for example, if you're using mobile data, you will get a little bit stronger connection than before, or if you were using a Wi-Fi before, it might also give you actually a little bit stronger connection. So I did this myself, and then what you're going to do now, of course, is to just go into your Monopoly Go app again, and hopefully this problem will now be fixed for you as well.